Black crowberry, Empetrum nigrum, is a hardy evergreen shrub that produces delicious, dark purple berries. This resilient plant is well suited to colder climates and thrives in sandy or acidic soils. This video will provide you with valuable tips and techniques to help you successfully cultivate and care for black crowberry plants in your garden. Soil preparation. Before planting black crowberry, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. If your soil is heavy or compacted, amend it with organic matter, such as peat moss or well-rotted compost. To improve drainage and nutrient content, aim for loose, friable soil that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. Planting black crowberry. Black crowberry can be grown from seeds, cuttings, or container-grown plants. If starting from seeds, stratify them in a refrigerator for a few weeks before sowing in a seed tray or directly in the garden. Plant the seeds or seedlings at a depth of about 1/4 inch, and space them about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for their spreading growth habit. Watering and moisture. During the establishment period, provide regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once the plants are well established, they are relatively drought tolerant and can withstand dry conditions. Mulching and weed control. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the black crowberry plants to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth, and maintain a more even soil temperature. Use materials like straw, wood chips, or bark mulch, ensuring the mulch does not directly touch the plant stems to prevent rot. Pruning and maintenance. Black crowberry requires minimal pruning. However, you can lightly prune the plants in early spring to remove any dead or damaged branches and encourage bushier growth. This also helps maintain a more compact and tidy appearance. Avoid heavy pruning, as it may hinder fruit production. Fertilization. Black crowberry generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. However, if your soil is lacking in nutrients, you can apply a slow-release, balanced fertilizer in early spring. Follow the package instructions for the appropriate amount and frequency of application. Harvesting and uses. Black crowberry produces small, dark purple berries that are edible and rich in antioxidants. Harvest the berries when they are fully ripe, usually in late summer or early fall. They can be eaten fresh, used in baking, made into jams or jellies, or added to salads and desserts. The tart flavor of the berries adds a unique touch to various culinary creations. Growing black crowberry can be a delightful experience for any gardener. By following these tips and techniques, you can cultivate healthy and productive black crowberry plants in your garden. Remember to observe the specific needs of black crowberry, including soil acidity, moisture levels, and sun exposure. With patience, care, and proper maintenance, you'll be rewarded with a thriving black crowberry plant that adds both ornamental and culinary value to your garden.